Now, how do we connect this to the computer? So to do that, we need to plug it in to the USB port, and in particular we have the USB socket on the side of the logger, and we have the cable. Now notice on the cable there's an arrow and a silver side and a blank side with just black at the bottom. The silver side with the arrow needs to go upwards on the logger so that we bring them together like that. We can then plug the ordinary USB cable into the computer as we do normally, and then listen for the Windows sound to say that it's found the device. Next we need to run the MicroLab software to access the device and program it. Here's MicroLab. If I click on it and it runs, searching, MicroLog wake up, MicroLog was detected. OK. We can now use the setup button in this software to program the MicroLog. So it allows us to tell it to gather data from the temperature sensor, from the humidity, and from the external. For this experiment, we're going to measure the temperature and humidity in a kitchen, a fridge, and a freezer over the course of an hour. I've told it to measure the temperature and humidity every 10 seconds. There are other options. You can take one reading every hour if you're going to leave the sensor for a long time, but over the course of 1 hour it has more than enough space to gather something every 10 seconds. We'd like it to take temperature readings in Celsius, and there's a handy indicator here to say that the battery is full. So when we're happy with these settings, we click Send Setup. There's a warning, it will clear the memory. Do we want to continue? Yes. Stopped it, set the sensors, set Celsius. Completed. So it's successfully set this device up to perform the experiment. I can now remove it from the computer. And the device is ready. So to start the experiment, I press the running figure. It says 20 Celsius and a humidity of 43. Every 10 seconds, 20 and 46 humidity. So we now leave the device for 1 hour to gather the data. With the data collected, we will press the hand button to stop the data collection. And the device is now ready to connect to the computer for us to take the data and have a look at it.